Welcome, students, to biology class. Of course, this is a class for grade 10 students. And today we shall be looking at another topic titled ecological concepts. Ecological concepts is a very interesting topic, and I know you will like it at the end of the class. So today we shall be looking at ecological concepts. Firstly, let's talk about what is ecology. Ecology. This word is derived from a Greek word. There are two things that make up this word. One, eco, plus logy. Which eco means household, while logy means to study. So, ecology is the study of the interaction of organism with another organism or organisms and their physical environment. So, simply say that ecology is a study of where living things live. But on a broader note, on a standard note, this is the definition of ecology. It is a study of the interaction of organism with another organism or organisms and their physical environment. May I tell you that as an organism, you are an organism now. Your physical environment is made up of your environment and other organisms that are surrounding you, whether they are plants, whether they are human beings, or whether they are animals, or whether they are microorganisms. All of them are defined as physical and other organisms. So we have defined what ecology is all about. I earlier said that it is derived from two Greek words, eco and logy. And I say eco means household. You know what household is all about? Where they live. Logy, the study of household. So we shall be moving further to the components of ecology. The things that make up ecology. The first one is environment. Environment. Just from our point, these are our high points. I listed them so that it will help you in remembering it or help us in learning. So environment, what is environment? Environment is the immediate surrounding of an organism. Your immediate surrounding. Your immediate surrounding. Look around you. Just look around you. Look around your household. Who are the components or the things you can see? What are the things you are seeing? Those things you are seeing are what we call your environment. Where they are your dad, your mom, your sisters, your brothers, or the walls, or the air. If you can see air, is part of your immediate environment. So, environment is your immediate surrounding. Those things you can see. And then we want to go further in defining the two types of environment. We have biotic. We have biotic. And the abiotic. Biotic and abiotic. Biotic is those environment that have to do with living things. Those living things that surround you. Those living things. As far as they are half-life, they are what called biotic. Those living factors, living things, living factors, such as pests and diseases, such as animals, ants, and the rest of them. So any living thing that surrounds you is even plants, microorganisms. They are all part of your biotic factors. So we can say man, we can say diseases and pests. We can say microorganisms or germs. We can say animals, plants. These living things affect you as a human being. You can even say food. Because some foods are animals, are living things. Plants are animals. So they are part of what? Biotic factors. Now let's move further to abiotic factors. Opposite of biotic factors are abiotic factors. So when biotic factors are living things, abiotic should be what? Non-living things. Example of non-living things are temperature, humidity, rainfall. Mention them. Rainfall, humidity, wind, etc. Sunshine. These things, they are not living things, but they affect us. When the temperature is very high, it will affect us as a human being. It will affect your function. When the environment, when there is rainfall, when there is rainfall, it will affect the human being. It will affect our activities. So these are two things that make up what? Our environment. I hope you are grabbing what I'm teaching you. God bless you. The next one is biosphere. These things are examples or concepts of they are under ecology. The next one is biosphere. Biosphere, we have lithosphere, we have hydrosphere, we have atmosphere. Lithosphere is the part. Okay, what is biosphere? Let me just, what is biosphere? Biosphere has to do with where the environment, or let's say the places where living things live, where the environment where they stay, the part of the earth crust, where living things can live or live. We have the lithosphere. Lithosphere is made up of mountains, rocks, and so on and so forth. The part of the earth core that is made up of rocks. We have hydrosphere. Hydrosphere has to do with what? Water. So the part of the earth that's made up of what? Water. We have oceans, we have seas, we have rivers. Another one is atmosphere. The part of the earth crust that is made up of what? Gases. And gases are made up of, we have CO2, we have O2, we have nitrogen, we have what again? We have different kind of atoms. We have what again? Any kind of gases. CO2, O2, any kind of gases. We have helium. Can you mention helium? Hydrogen. And so on and so forth. So these are the types of what? Biosphere. Biosphere. So the next one is habitat. Habitat is just where living things live. Living things live, where they live. We are like their household. So we have habitat, we have two types of habitat. We have aquatic, we have terrestrial. Under aquatic, we have marine, we have estuarine, we have freshwater. So they may ask you this in the exam, I might ask you this in the exam. Especially the SST students. This is part of your WAEC preparation. Because they ask you, mention 3 types of aquatic habitat. We have marine, we have estuarine, we have freshwater. Under marine, what is marine? Marine is a part of aquatic that is made up of high salt content. The salt content is very high. High salt content. An example of marine water, we have oceans, we have what? Seas. Marine, we have oceans, we have seas. Oceans, we have seas. Under estuarine, estuarine is found between the marine water, is a kind of combination between the marine water and the fresh water. So it is found between marine water and fresh water. So the next one is fresh water. And the high salt content of this one is not as high as salt content. So I'll give you an assignment now, before I leave you. You will give me the characteristics of each of these. The characteristics of each of them. What differentiates among these 3 aquatic water. Because of the time, I'm not have the time to start to find differentiating them. So fresh water has low salt content, has little or no salt content in it. While this one has high salt content, while this one low has little salt content. But this one has no either little or nothing salt content in it. So example of these, we have example of fresh water, we have rivers, we have streams. We can mention streams here. We have ponds. But under this one, we can say example of this is you can say this one looks like lake. Okay, that is that. So let's move to terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat, from the word terrestrial. Terrestrial have to do with land. Organisms that live on land. There are organisms that live on land. I hope you know. Under land, we have arboreal. We have ground habitat. We have underground habitat. There are organisms that live on the air. Example, birds. Birds live on the trees. We can define them under arboreal habitat. Birds, insects that fly on the air, and so on and so forth. The next one is ground habitat. We have lion, man. These are ones that live on the ground. Underground. We have man, we have lizard, we have goat, the rest of them that live on the ground. Why this one underground terrestrial habitat are those ones that are found those habitats that are found under the ground. We have example. Example is earthworm. Some earthworm burrow the ground to live. Another one that some lands are found under the ground. So you can say this one, lad. We have an earthworm. And mention there are many of them. We have ants. And so on and so forth. The next one, think about it. Okay, the last but not the least is niche. My friend, this is a very important subject. And WAEX can also share this question for you. For SS3, although I'm teaching SS1, everything I'm teaching now, this is a kind of a revision for SS students. But for just grade 10, this is your topic. But it's a revision for SS students. For niche, what is niche? Niche is the role an organism plays in its environment. The role and all this in place. For example, let's take bees. Bees, we have the king bee, we have the soldiers, we have the workers. Each of them have their role they play in this, their union. The king bee, its role is to do what? Is to lay eggs and hatch the eggs. So the role, the niche it plays, the king bee plays is to what? To lay eggs. We have the soldiers. The soldiers are to what? To protect the queen. So the role of the soldiers is what? To protect the queen. We have the workers. The workers are the type that go out and provide food. They bring food and feed the queen. So all of them have their roles they play. So in summary, we have ecology, we have environment, we have biosphere, we have habitats. And I listed the types, and I think I explained vividly what each of them means. Next topic, we shall continue from this ecological concept because of our time. So I'll give you an assignment. I will drop in your platform. So make sure you do it. And if you have any question to ask me, please do so. God bless you.